just took off from Cambridge Airport heading southwest, and then, as you heard, made a bit of a strange noise from the engine. Don't recall hearing a strange noise like that from an engine before. Let's just see if I can find that. Hold on. Time is 11:14 AM, 19th of July. Just give me a second. Right, planefinder.net is usually the best one if you want to find business jets. So Cambridge, plane should be somewhere where I'm moving the hand on the screen if it's going to show up. And as you can see, it's currently not showing. So let me put on flight radar 24. Just flight radar 24. Shows the type of plane sometimes, but not the actual regs of BizJets. Ah, yeah, there you go. It's found it already. So this will at least ID what type of BizJet. C56X has just taken off. Cessna 560 XLS. Citation XL. See what I mean? They don't know the registration. They don't know that it's just taken off from Cambridge, and they don't know where it's going to. But at least there we go. I've got a type of plane, and then I'll be able to work out what that is probably. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.